Since its introduction in the mid-1800s, people have used Vaseline or petroleum jelly for everything from shining shoes to unsticking gum from desks. As a lotion, this versatile goop forms a barrier on the skin, helping it retain moisture and ward off bacteria. For a heavy-duty DIY moisturizer, pair Vaseline with beeswax, which also creates a barrier effect. Unlike other moisturizer, beeswax and petroleum jelly don't contain fragrances, so they are less likely to irritate sensitive skin. Today we are going to show you how to make homemade lotion with Vaseline. This cream will make your skin so soft and glowing that you stop using any chemical-based product anymore. First, heat a double boiler and combine equal parts Vaseline or generic petroleum jelly and beeswax. While petroleum jelly firms the skin, beeswax serves as a thickening agent, encourages skin cell turnover, and has antibacterial and humectant properties. Stir the beeswax and Vaseline gently with a metal spoon as they slowly melt together. Add glycerin for consistency as well as almond oil and honey in equal parts to the jelly and beeswax. Almond oil softens the skin and offers skin bolstering protein while honey moisturizes. Continue stirring and add a bit of pollen and liquid lecithin to the mix. Use about 1 spoonful of pollen and 2 spoons of lecithin per 1/4 cup of other ingredients. Lecithin emulsifies and moisturizes while pollen nourishes the skin with protein, minerals and vitamin C. Stir in total for about 4 or 5 minutes until the mixture is smooth. Then allow it to cool and store it in a sealed container. For fragrance, simply mix in a few drops of the essential oil of your choice. Tip: though smooth, the consistency of this homemade lotion will be a bit thicker than that of most store-bought varieties, almost like a very sleek and smooth cake frosting. For a thinner consistency, slowly add more glycerin or cut in a few spoonfuls of olive oil until you reach the desired texture. This lotion may harden over time. Reheat and restir on a double boiler to return it to its softened form. To make a simple exfoliating scrub, combine Vaseline with brown sugar. You can also cut some petro jelly into your store-bought lotion if you are running low. Warning: don't use a regular pot or pan for this DIY recipe, as beeswax is flammable. Stick with a double boiler to stay safe.